Hello everyone. So today I will talk about importance of calcium, protein and carbohydrate for the pregnant woman. So first is introduction, nutrition for pregnant women. Proper nutrition during pregnancy is crucial for the health and development of both. Both means like mother and baby. Extant mothers need to pay close attention to their dietary intake to ensure they are getting the necessary nutrients to support their changing bodies and the growing fetus. Fetus means baby. This presentation will explore the importance of key nutrients like calcium, protein, and carbohydrate. Although various nutrients are important during pregnancy, but this time I will share about the information with you about calcium, protein, and carbohydrates. They are the most important, and some of the disadvantage also. सो फर्स्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कैल्शियम. कैल्शियम की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है? व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कैल्शियम फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन? लाइक फर्स्ट इज बोन हेल्थ. इन बोन हेल्थ फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन, like calcium makes your bone strength and fetal development. Calcium is a essential mineral that plays vital role in the health and development of both mother and the baby during pregnancy. For the mother, adequate calcium intake helps maintain strong bones and teeth and reduce the risk of osteoporosis later in life. Osteoporosis means the hole in the bones. For the growing fetus, calcium is crucial for the formation and growth of the baby bones, teeth, and skeletal structure. In fact, the fetus accumulates the majority of its skeletal calcium during the third trimester of pregnancy. Pregnant women need significantly more calcium than non-pregnant women. As compared to non-pregnant women, in pregnant women, requirement of calcium is increased. I mean, all the nutrients are most important for the pregnant woman. So here is recommended daily intake increasing from 1000 mg to 1300 mg. Good dietary sources of calcium, like you can intake dairy products, leafy greens, fortified food and supplements if needed according to your doctor prescription. So ensuring sufficient calcium intake during pregnancy can help prevent complications like preeclampsia and preterm birth. So first is bone health, pregnancy complications and fetal development. Bone health, like calcium help maintain the mother bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis later in life. It also helps to prevent in osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, I have told ki like holes in your bones. Fetal development, calcium is essential for the formation and growth of the baby bones, teeth, and skeletal structure. Pregnancy complications, importance of protein, tissues growth, and maternal health. So, first is protein is another crucial nutrient for the pregnant woman, as it plays a vital role in the growth and development of both the mother and the baby. For the mother, adequate protein intake helps maintain healthy tissue. Protein helps to maintain a healthy tissue, including the uterus, breast, and placenta. It supports the increased blood volume and cell production occur during pregnancy. Like for the growing fetus, protein is essential for the development of new cells, tissues, and organs. It helps to build the baby muscles, bones, cartilage, skin, hair, nails, and internal organs. Here is right with the recommended intake increasing 46 gram to 71 gram. Good sources of protein for pregnant women like poultry, fish, egg, lean meats, dairy products, legumes, nuts, seeds. Ensuring sufficient protein intake can help prevent complications like preterm birth, low birth weight, and impaired fetal growth. Maternal health, fetal development, pregnancy complications. So protein helps maintain healthy tissues including the uterus, breast, and placenta. Fetal development, in it is essential, like protein is essential for the development of new cells and the tissues, baby muscles, bones, cartilage, nails, hair, etc. Pregnancy complications, adequate protein intake can help prevent complications like preterm birth, low birth weight, and impaired fetal growth. Importance of carbohydrates, energy, and fetal growth. Carbohydrates basically important for the energy and the development of fetal growth also. So for the mother, carbohydrates helps to maintain stable blood sugar level, which is essential for overall health and the proper development of the placenta, and for the fetus is essential for the growth and development of the brain, nervous system, and other vital organs. So here are energy for the mother, fetal growth and development, and blood sugar regulation. Some are the disadvantages of nutrient imbalances during pregnancy. If in pregnant woman nutrient imbalance, so what are the disadvantages we'll see. First is like preterm birth. In preterm birth we have already discussed, like increase the risk of preterm birth, which can lead to a range of health complications for the baby, low birth weight, and the developmental delay, chronic health condition. Nutrient imbalances during pregnancy can increase the risk of the child developing chronic health conditions later in life. So all the nutrients is very essential, all the nutrients is very essential for the pregnant woman. So thanks for joining the flavorful journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty updates.